Welcome back to the Markham's Motor Channel. Today we're doing something little you don't see done much. Undercarriage protection. I'm not professional. I don't have a shop where I can spray this stuff underneath there. I don't like all that goop they put underneath there. I just like paint. I'm going to show you guys how I prep the frame and get it clean, get it ready, and hit it with a good rattle can paint, Rust-Oleum. You've seen the FJ Toyota's frames just falling to pieces. We're trying to prevent that. I've got a good one in good shape, trying to keep it that way. I do want to take it off road, but I want to make it easy to get the mud off when I get back. You'll have to excuse my attire. I'm getting ready to get underneath here. I'm gonna look crazy, but I don't want these chemicals in my eyes. Not much on my skin. It's about 104 heat index today here in West Tennessee. So we're gonna get in the shade, play in the water, have a good time. Stay tuned. Some of the items we're going to use today. I buy this Purple Power from like O'Reilly's, 2.5 gallon can. I buy this by the gallon, Black Magic Bleach White. I'm going to use this for the things I already have painted. I've got a lot painted, but I want to clean it. I've bought some spray wax that I want to incorporate into my frame to help keep it clean. Just using some soap and water to wash with this. This stuff's going to be a little more abrasive. This is going to be on the back side of the frame where I have not done anything yet since I've got the truck. We're going to use some red Scotch-Brite, some Purple Power. I've transferred it over to an old Black Magic bottle to make things easier. Do yourself a favor. Go out and buy you some of these Tool Freak goggles. They come with clear, shaded, amber. I wish I had some shades. They're not cheap, but they will save your eyes. They don't fog. They got vented ribs right here. They're great to have. I need some for weed eating, but I use these in the shop. I've actually got some readers that click on right here. They're okay. But the goggles, thumbs up. You only got two eyes. Keep them in good shape. All right, we are at the rear diff. I just serviced this. It ain't too dirty. But I'm going to get this clean so I can get the wax on. Keep this thing looking nice. Sorry about the wind noise. I've got me a little wash bucket staged right here. Got me some of that Wesley's Bleach White. I'm going to clean this stuff. Do it pre-soak. You have to rinse this off well. Don't worry, I'm not going to bore you guys with me just cleaning underneath the whole truck. Just showing you some of the key spots and how I go about it. I'll try to link some pictures as to the why I go about it. Take you guys to show you one that's not painted, how I'm addressing those. Okay guys, this is the area we're going to clean next. Not painted by me. I think this is all factory. It's important that you use Scotch-Brite to give that spray paint something to stick to. You don't want to let that Purple Power sit on there too long. It will do some damage if you let it sit too much. Okay guys, we got the underside of the FJ looking good. I'm ready to take it over landing, wash all the mud off when we're done. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope you learned something. Just trying to help. Like and subscribe. Thanks for spending some time with us.